Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to insert the SIM card on Infinix Hot 40i device. Well, knowing how to insert the SIM card into your Android device is essential for activating cellular service and enabling communication features such as making calls and sending texts. Properly inserting the SIM card ensures that your device can connect to the mobile network and access cellular data. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, locate the SIM card tray is on the side of the phone. And now, take the SIM ejector tool that came with your phone or use a small paper clip. Okay, next you can insert the SIM ejector tool into the small hole on the SIM card tray and apply gentle pressure to eject the tray. Once the SIM card tray is ejected, carefully remove it from the phone. Okay, so here, place your SIM card into the appropriate slot on the SIM card tray and make sure the gold contacts on the SIM card are facing down. Okay, next, insert the SIM card tray back into the phone, aligning it properly with the slot, and gently push the tray back into the phone until it is securely in place. Okay, so now your device should recognize the SIM card. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to insert the SIM card on Infinix Hot 40i device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel.